Old story, but anyway.
You know, today we didn't get as many storms around as we normally get, and that's a direct result of this tropical wave, which kind of disrupts the pattern a little bit. I think we'll get back into that pattern. Transition day tomorrow, but then by the weekend, back to more afternoon and evening variety of storms that develop along the sea breeze front. The Ventways webcam showing a shower around it right at 3 o'clock, right over Sarasota Bay, but that quickly moved out into the Gulf of Mexico and then faded away, and it looks as though we're seeing some activity, but not much build around. You see those clouds starting to darken there a little bit, right there near the Ringling Bridge. So there's a chance, we'll put a 30% chance of showers in through this evening. This was last night, Siesta Key, Beverly Bowen, showing this silhouette of the couple walking down on Siesta Key Beach, and the sun was setting. There's some clouds around, making for some interesting colors. Showers we saw on the camera there are now well off into the Gulf of Mexico, continuing to push away from land. And now some surge of moisture coming in from the east to the west, basically moving through Hardee and DeSoto counties now. Starting to see some lightning show up with these, indicating that they are getting a little stronger. It's not that well concentrated right now, just south of Arcadia and south of Wauchula, a shower or two there. They're moving rapidly toward the west at around 15 to 20 miles an hour. So they'll be near the coast here, I would suspect, in the next hour or so, and then we'll see a chance for some evening showers, even some overnight showers, as this tropical wave will keep us in a little bit instability in our atmosphere, at least through tomorrow morning. And then it moves all out into the Gulf and continues to head that way. So we'll look for some improving conditions as far as sunshine goes. There was a little bit more cloudiness around today. Rainfall amounts, not much to show you. Very sparse out there. Near Northport had a brief shower. Also near Venice, about 1/10 of an inch earlier today. Satellite showing some very dry air, keeping skies sunny here in much of the southwestern portion of the Atlantic. And then this tropical wave, just a lot of clouds from Jacksonville southward all the way down to Cuba. This wave continues to drift to the west and never really had a chance to develop much. It was known as Tropical Depression number 4 last week, but the dry air around it just never let it develop. And there's another wave to the east of that, but not showing any signs of organization at this time. 88 degrees, the heat index still pretty high, 96, and we have a few clouds, and the dew point at 73. Winds are out of the east at 10, the pressure 30.06 inches. Still high, but it has been falling slightly. That's more as a result of the temperature today. The high was 93. 90 is our normal, 96 the record, and that was set back in 1932. No rainfall to report today and thus far. And temperatures right now, 76 in Tallahassee, 87 Jacksonville, 86 in Orlando now, 88 in Miami, and 85 in Key West. I mentioned that dry air. This is the water vapor loop. It looks at the atmosphere in the mid to upper levels. We're talking 20, 30, 40,000 feet there, and you can see that dry air around much of the Bahamas. Every once in a while some showers popping up there though on that tropical wave, but that continues to drift off to the west. So it wasn't the dry air around that really stopped the storms today. It was more so just that early morning cloud cover, which never allowed the heating of the day to really take place over the central portion of the state like it normally does. Well, the forecast model tonight showing a few showers possible and then partly cloudy, and then tomorrow looks good. We'll start off with some sunshine, some showers offshore, then right around 2, 3 o'clock, that sea breeze will develop. It will start to move in a little bit. We'll get more convergence set up, and then a chance for showers through 4 or 5 o'clock as well. For boaters, on Friday, east winds, a little bit breezy out there, 10 to 15 knots. Seas will be 2 to 3 feet, and there'll be a moderate chop. And for boaters, water temperature now at 88 degrees, UV index at an 8. And the forecast tides upcoming for Sarasota Bay, low tide at 11:22, sunset at 8:28. Tonight, slight chance for a few scattered storms, a 76 for a low. Otherwise, most areas staying partly cloudy. And then tomorrow, rain chance at 40% for late day storms mainly. And the extended forecast does call for better chances for showers and storms to start to kick back in on Sunday and stays with us through Thursday of next week. Back to you.